You're posting, you're creating content, and you have a great offer, but your brand still isn't landing. Maybe it looks a little scattered, inconsistent, or maybe even forgettable. When your visuals don't match your message, you lose trust and that scroll stopping power. So in this video, I'm going to show you why your brand feels off, what a strong visual identity needs, and how to fix your branding with a few simple steps without hiring a designer. Let's talk about the real reason that your brand feels off. It's not your logo, your color palette, and it's not that you need better graphics. It's that you don't have a clear visual identity. So does this sound like you? You open up Canva and grab whatever template is there. You second guess your fonts, you tweak your colors, you redesign your feed again, and you feel unsure about everything that you're designing. Well, then you probably have an inconsistent brand. And here's the part that actually stings. You know your business is amazing, but when your brand doesn't look the part, it's gonna make you second guess yourself. But that disconnect isn't about skill, it's about clarity. So let's take a look at what strong branding actually looks like. Strong brands are going to leave a certain impression the second that you land on their page. Nothing is going to feel random. There's going to be a clear aesthetic, whether that's more editorial, grounded and earthy, or feminine. The colors, fonts, and imagery are all going to be consistent across all platforms, and the overall vibe is intentional and it matches your audience and the overall messaging of your brand. And here's the key, you don't need to be a designer to create that, you just need to have clear direction. When you know your aesthetic, decisions are going to get easier, content gets easier, and your confidence will skyrocket. So before you redesign anything, you need to figure out your brand style. That's why Hotstock created the brand style quiz. It's a free quiz that tells you exactly what your visual vibe is so you can stop guessing and start building with confidence. When you take the quiz, you'll get your specific style results, a clear aesthetic direction and feeling, how to choose imagery, suggested color palette and fonts, and examples of how to pull it all together with graphics. Plus an exclusive offer to save on the membership so you can get access to all the images and assets that you need to build your cohesive brand. So if you're tired of second guessing your brand visuals, take the quiz. It's quick, fun, and totally free. It's the best first step to finally feeling aligned with your brand. And if you're ready to bring that brand style to life, we've got everything you need inside the Hotstock membership, like curated stock visuals, high quality videos, plus monthly templates and marketing guides. Thanks for watching. Make sure you take the quiz, and if you want more branding tips, watch our video, The Easiest Way to Create Consistent Graphics.